Imagine this. A tiny cut on your hand heals itself within days. How? That's the magic of stem cells, the repair workers that keep your body healthy and thriving. These incredible cells work tirelessly inside you, fixing damaged tissues, replacing old cells, and keeping you in your best shape. But here's the big secret. What you eat can directly impact how well they work. Today, I'm sharing 5 amazing foods that science shows can boost your stem cell activity. Stay with me because the 4th food on the list has a surprising benefit most people have never heard of. And make sure to stick around until the end, where I'll reveal a special recipe packed with these stem cell boosting ingredients to help you naturally supercharge your health. Stem cells are like seeds in a garden. They can grow into any type of cell your body needs, whether it's skin, muscle, or even nerve cells. But what makes them so unique? These cells are the foundation of your body's repair system. They don't just maintain your health, they actively repair damage and regenerate tissues. Imagine having tiny repair workers constantly fixing and renewing your body. There are 3 main types of stem cells, each with unique characteristics and functions. Let's break them down. Embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are the most versatile. They can become any type of cell in the body. These cells are like the seeds that can grow into any plant in your garden. They are derived from embryos, which is why they're highly debated in ethical discussions. Despite the controversy, they've paved the way for groundbreaking research in regenerative medicine. Adult stem cells. Adult stem cells are found in tissues like bone marrow, fat, and skin. They're more specialized than embryonic stem cells, but still play a critical role in repairing and maintaining tissues. For instance, bone marrow stem cells are responsible for producing billions of blood cells every day. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, are adult cells reprogrammed to behave like embryonic stem cells. They offer the same versatility without the ethical concerns. Scientists believe iPSCs could revolutionize medicine, offering personalized therapies by using the patient's own cells. Let's imagine you cut your finger. Here's what happens. 1, your body sends signals to activate stem cells in your blood and skin. 2, these stem cells travel to the wound, multiply, and transform into new skin cells. 3, within days, the tissue is repaired, leaving no trace of damage. This is the incredible power of stem cells at work. Before we jump into the first amazing food, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible role of stem cells in your body. These natural repair workers rely on the right nutrients to function at their best. What if I told you that the key to boosting their activity is as simple as choosing the right foods? Today, we'll explore 5 accessible and powerful options that you can easily include in your meals. Let's start with the first one, blueberries, a tiny fruit packed with immense benefits for your stem cells. Blueberries are one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, they not only protect your stem cells from damage, but also enhance their ability to regenerate tissues, especially muscle cells. Studies show that anthocyanins in blueberries neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and tissues over time. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries create an environment where your stem cells can thrive and repair your body effectively. Blueberries are also high in vitamin C and other phytochemicals, which strengthen your immune system and further support cellular health. Imagine eating a handful of blueberries daily and giving your body the tools to rebuild, rejuvenate, and stay strong. Anthocyanins are the pigments that give blueberries their deep blue color, but their benefits go far beyond appearances. These compounds have been shown to protect DNA and stem cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can accelerate aging and increase disease risk. When stem cells are damaged, their ability to regenerate tissues is compromised. By reducing oxidative stress, anthocyanins ensure that your stem cells remain functional and efficient. Blueberries don't just support stem cells, they benefit your entire body. Their anti-inflammatory properties help reduce muscle soreness and promote faster recovery after exercise. Additionally, the vitamin C in blueberries enhances collagen production, which is crucial for healthy skin, joints, and blood vessels. Add a handful of blueberries to your breakfast oatmeal or yogurt for an antioxidant-packed start to your day. Blend them into a smoothie with spinach, bananas, and almond milk for a nutrient-dense drink. Freeze them for a refreshing snack on hot days, or add them to baked goods like muffins for a healthy twist. Let's dive into the next incredible food that can boost your body's natural repair system. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, is famous for its powerful health benefits, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. But did you know it can also support the repair of brain and heart cells through its effect on stem cells? Curcumin has been scientifically proven to enhance the function of neural stem cells, which are essential for maintaining and repairing brain tissues. This means turmeric could play a role in improving memory, cognitive function, and even reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, curcumin has a direct impact on cardiac stem cells. By promoting their repair capabilities, turmeric helps in regenerating damaged heart tissues, making it a valuable ally for cardiovascular health. What sets turmeric apart is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest culprits behind aging and various diseases. Curcumin acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, reducing inflammation throughout the body and creating an ideal environment for your stem cells to thrive. Imagine adding a pinch of turmeric to your daily diet and unlocking its potential to rejuvenate your brain, heart, and overall health. How can you use turmeric? A simple way is to add it to your latte for a warm, golden drink packed with health benefits, or incorporated it into curries and soups to enhance flavor while boosting your stem cell activity. Studies from renowned institutions have shown turmeric's profound effects on stem cells. One study found that regular consumption of curcumin improved the growth of neural stem cells by up to 80%, highlighting its potential as a natural brain booster. Another study focused on its role in cardiac health, demonstrating that curcumin stimulates cardiac stem cells to repair and regenerate damaged tissues after heart injuries. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a natural medicine that works at the cellular level to enhance your body's healing power. Add turmeric to your routine today, whether through a golden latte or a hearty curry, and let its benefits transform your health. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting stem cell health. Packed with folate and vitamin K, this leafy green not only promotes the production of new cells, but also aids in the repair of damaged tissues. Folate, or vitamin B9, plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis and repair. For your stem cells to divide and create new healthy cells, folate is an essential nutrient. Vitamin K, another key component in spinach, contributes to bone health and supports cellular growth by activating proteins that bind calcium. This makes it vital for both stem cell function and tissue recovery. But spinach doesn't stop there. It's rich in antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which protects stem cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Research has shown that incorporating folate-rich foods like spinach into your diet can enhance the regenerative capabilities of your cells. For example, after an injury, your body relies on stem cells to rebuild and repair. Folate speeds up this process by supplying the necessary building blocks for new cell creation. Think of spinach as your body's repair fuel, helping not just with injury recovery, but also in maintaining overall cellular health. Adding spinach to your meals is simple. Toss it into a fresh salad with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon for a light, nutrient-dense meal, or blend it into a green smoothie with banana and almond milk for a refreshing way to start your day. Spinach is also a versatile ingredient for soups, stir-fries, and even baked dishes, making it an easy addition to your diet. In one fascinating study, researchers found that participants who consumed a folate-rich diet, including spinach, experienced faster wound healing and better recovery from physical stress. This leafy green is a true superfood that works at the cellular level, ensuring your stem cells remain healthy, active, and ready to regenerate. Salmon is not just a delicious choice for dinner, it's a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in enhancing stem cell activity, especially for vascular repair. Omega-3 fatty acids, primarily EPA and DHA, are essential for improving blood circulation. They help reduce inflammation, allowing stem cells to travel more effectively to areas that need healing. Think of your bloodstream as a highway for stem cells. When the traffic is clear, thanks to omega-3s, stem cells can quickly reach damaged tissues and start the repair process. Research published in the Journal of Vascular Biology shows that omega-3s directly enhance the activity of vascular stem cells. These cells are critical for repairing blood vessels and maintaining cardiovascular health. Salmon is also packed with high-quality protein, vitamins like B12, and minerals such as selenium, which collectively support overall cellular health and regeneration. Incorporating salmon into your diet can be as simple as grilling it with a sprinkle of lemon, herbs, and olive oil. Not only does this preserve its nutrients, but it also makes for a flavorful and nutritious meal. For a quicker option, try pan-searing salmon with garlic and black pepper. Pair it with a side of leafy greens or quinoa for a balanced dish. Studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods like salmon can significantly reduce the risk of chronic inflammation and accelerate tissue recovery after injury. Additionally, omega-3s are known to protect against oxidative stress, ensuring stem cells remain functional and healthy. If you're not a fan of fish, consider omega-3 supplements derived from fish oil or algae, but fresh salmon remains one of the best natural sources of these essential fatty acids. Now that you've discovered how salmon can supercharge your stem cells, let's move on to the next superfood for regeneration. Green tea is much more than a calming drink. It's packed with EGCG, epigallocatechin galacti, one of the most powerful antioxidants known to science. EGCG protects your cells, including stem cells, from oxidative stress, a major factor that accelerates aging and cellular damage. Think of it as a shield for your body, guarding your cells against harmful free radicals while encouraging regeneration. Research from the Journal of Nutrition shows that regular green tea consumption can improve cell longevity and reduce inflammation at the molecular level. But there's more. Green tea stimulates the activation of dormant stem cells, particularly in tissues like the skin and muscles, aiding in repair and renewal. Adding lemon to your green tea not only enhances its flavor, but also boosts the bioavailability of antioxidants, allowing your body to absorb them more effectively. Hot or iced, green tea fits perfectly into any lifestyle. It's a simple addition to your daily routine that can yield profound benefits. Not a fan of plain green tea? Try matcha. Its powdered form provides a concentrated dose of antioxidants, delivering even greater cellular protection. For the best results, aim for 2 to 3 cups a day, ensuring you're reaping its full spectrum of health benefits. And don't forget, green tea doesn't just help your body, it also calms your mind, making it a holistic choice for overall well-being. Did you know that your daily habits have a direct impact on your body's ability to heal and regenerate? It's true, beyond just food, your lifestyle choices can either enhance or hinder the activity of your stem cells. By adopting simple yet powerful habits, you can give your body the boost it needs to repair, renew, and thrive. In this section, we'll uncover how intermittent fasting, exercise, and quality sleep can become your secret weapons for unlocking the full potential of your stem cells. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trendy diet, it's a scientifically proven method to activate your body's natural repair mechanisms. When you fast, your body triggers autophagy, a process where it cleans out damaged cells and regenerates healthier ones. This creates the perfect environment for stem cell activation. Studies published in Nature Communications reveal that fasting enhances the regeneration of intestinal and blood stem cells, improving overall cellular health. A simple way to start is with the 16-1-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. This lets your body rest, repair, and rejuvenate. For example, skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, then finish dinner by 8 p.m. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and give your cells the reset they need. Exercise. Regular exercise is more than just fitness. It's essential for cellular repair and renewal. When you exercise, you increase blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your tissues. This enhanced circulation stimulates stem cell activation, particularly in muscles and skin. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that moderate aerobic exercise, like brisk walking or cycling, can double the activity of muscle stem cells. Strength training also creates micro tears in muscle fibers, prompting stem cells to repair and strengthen them, leading to improved resilience. Aim for a balanced routine. 30 minutes of moderate cardio, 2 to 3 days of strength training, and flexibility exercises like yoga. This combination ensures your cells get the best conditions for regeneration. Sleep. Sleep is when your body truly heals. It's during deep sleep that stem cells are most active in repairing tissues and rejuvenating your body. A study in Science Advances shows that lack of sleep impairs stem cell function, leading to slower recovery and premature aging. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a bedtime routine that includes dim lighting, no screens an hour before bed, and a consistent sleep schedule. Deep sleep enhances the release of growth factors, which stimulate stem cells to repair muscles, skin, and even organs. A simple tip: try mindfulness meditation or gentle stretches before bed to signal your body that it's time to rest and repair. Imagine sipping on a delicious drink that not only tastes amazing, but also fuels your body's ability to heal and regenerate. Sounds incredible, right? Well, today I'm going to share with you a simple yet powerful stem cell boosting smoothie recipe. This drink is packed with the perfect blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats to help your stem cells perform at their best. Let's get started and create a smoothie that your body and your taste buds will thank you for. Let's create a simple yet powerful stem cell boosting smoothie, a drink designed to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to activate and support stem cell regeneration. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, this smoothie isn't just delicious, it's a science-backed way to rejuvenate your cells. Ingredients: 1. 1½ cup of blueberries, rich in antioxidants to protect stem cells from oxidative stress. 2. 1 cup of fresh spinach, packed with folate and vitamin K to encourage new cell production. 3. 1 cup of almond milk, a dairy-free base that's high in vitamin E for skin and cellular health. 4. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds loaded with omega-3s and fiber to support circulation and gut health. 5. 1 teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness and antibacterial properties. Instructions: 1. Start by washing the blueberries and spinach thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. 2. Add all the ingredients into a high-speed blender, starting with almond milk to create a smooth base. 3. Blend for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is creamy and vibrant green. 4. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy it immediately for maximum nutrient absorption. Scientific breakdown and benefits. This smoothie is more than just a drink. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse for your stem cells. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Spinach is high in folate, a nutrient essential for DNA repair and the formation of new cells. Chia seeds deliver omega-3 fatty acids that improve blood flow, ensuring stem cells reach areas of need. Almond milk offers vitamin E, an antioxidant that enhances skin health and cell longevity. Honey's natural antibacterial properties further protect your gut, which plays a crucial role in overall cellular health. Now that you have a delicious way to support your stem cells, let's recap the key habits and foods for a healthier, more regenerative body. As we've explored today, these small but powerful foods and habits can do wonders for your body's ability to heal itself. Imagine incorporating these simple changes: blueberries in your breakfast, a turmeric latte in the afternoon, or even a brisk walk each day, and feeling your body's regenerative power activate over time. Your body is a masterpiece of healing and renewal, and now you hold the tools to unlock its full potential.